Jamie here. Don't worry about the pans. They're tough, proper, professional, really nice pans. Now, hard anodized, what does that mean? Basically, that means that this aluminium goes through an electrochemical process. Yes, I know, geeky. It's tough, super tough, really hard to scratch. And as you can see on the inside, it's got the Tefal fantastic non-stick coating. And of course, right there in the middle, we have the classic Tefal thermo-spot. Super cool, super important. This basically changes color when the pan is nice and hot and ready to go, and then you know, you can just cook in it. It looks amazing and rustic, and it's got that lovely sort of matte finish, and also it's thick gauge, and it distributes that heat nice and evenly. And under here, we've got a lovely handle, silicone, because it's good for grip. It's well balanced. If you've got sort of slightly oily hands, it gives you a little bit of stability there. Also, they can go in the oven as well. Very, very nice. And you've got the big Dutch oven pot. You can cook a load of food in here. Nice non-stick in the middle again, all riveted, tough, thick gauge. And I happen to have a nice bit of food cooked in one of those already. Check this out. I've got a nice little Aegean cacaviar. This is a beautiful Greek soup. So there you go, a nice bit of cooking from me with a little bit of help from the guys at Tefal.